1958 Cadillac 62 Sedan, pillarless hardtop. Here at Unique Specialty and Classics, 365 V8 underneath hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome on the bumper, headlights, surrounds, grille. Of course, the Cadillac emblem on the hood. Buckskin, paint code 44 on the data tag of this one. So it's still looking similar to how it would have looked back in 1958 when it rolled off the Cadillac dealer's showroom floor. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior engine bay trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Radial tires, Cadillac wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Appears it has had a repaint, more recent than 1958, of course. Interior trim 35, so that's beige Venetian cloth as well as beige Victoria cloth. Still looking similar on the interior also, and we'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer. Did want to point out, we'll spot some corrosion down here in the bottom of that door, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures. We take the undersides, like I said, in the bottom of those lower rockers, bottom of the doors in the still pictures, all of that. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Chrome on the rear bumper, also in nice shape. Appears that it has been re-chromed. That's awful nice for 1958. There is some pitting in some of the taillight surrounds and some of the bright work on the rear of it. Kind of one of those cars, drive it the way it is. It still looks good, don't get me wrong. Or if you want to give it a little TLC, take to the next level, next owner could always do that too. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll get into some of the accessories on this car also from the factory. Let's take a look down the driver's side first though. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Did notice another little spot on the lower portion of the door. Corrosion right there. And again, you'll be able to see that in the still pictures from the underside and from the lower portion we take. And you can look at the data tag in the still pictures. You're going to see that this did come with the Easy Eye glass. Also came with a heater, electric 6-way seat, as well as electric window regulators. If you like these 58 Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Check out this rear seating area. How plush that is in the back of the seat. Of course, the seats themselves, appears that those have been recovered because, again, very nice condition. Listen to that door close. Love that sound. All right, couple notes from the tech. Tech did state that that power seat works. The blower was in op for the heater though. Brakes are 80% front and rear. And your typical drivetrain seats. Vehicle that is driven. This one is. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around at the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. All right, there it is, that 365 cubic inch V8 fired up. Aftermarket retro sound style radio. Glove box will need a new latch. Top of the dash looking good. Automatic dimming headlights. A little trivia for the Cadillac experts out there, or GM experts. What was that called? Be a good look at the headliner. That does show its wear a little bit. A couple holes. Visor's intact though. Boy, this is quiet. Listen to this run. Hopefully you can hear that. All right, let's slip up to the front. I want to get this hood open, check out this engine bay, and then like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive. You can go for a virtual ride, if you will. Underside of the hood. And engine bay. Once again, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock 4-barrel has been placed on there. Again, smooth runner. Like I said, one of those, get in, drive it, have some fun the way it is, or maybe take it to the next level. Cool car for your local roll-ins and cruise-ins, no doubt about that. 1958 Cadillac 62 Sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1958 Cadillac, which feels to me like it actually has low miles on it. Possibly in storage for a long time. Very solid, very new feeling to drive. Our turn signal indicators are working. The speedometer works. This is an automatic on the column. A very smooth running Cadillac, as usually they are. The temperature gauge is about a third of the way up. The factory fuel gauge is showing full. A little bit of wind noise from the wing windows here. There. A little better. This has been upgraded with a cassette player over the years, and that does power up. It says Cadillac on the door. It matches the car very well. The seats are really astonishingly nice. They look original. They're in very good condition. The interior itself is in very good condition. There's a couple headliner holes. Things that happen to cars when they're in storage. But this is a well-mannered Cadillac. A little bit of slack in the steering, not much. Brakes are nice and smooth. It has that Cadillac rumble. If you know, they have sort of their own sound. A very nice rumble. Corners well, and really for what you think would be a super luxurious vehicle in America in 1958, this actually corners very well. It doesn't lean as much as you'd think. Of course, power steering and power brakes make all that easier. 4 doors. You roll the windows down, you have no pillar there. You have the beautiful hardtop. Lots of room in the back for passengers and in the front. Fold down armrest in the back, as Cadillac did, cream of the crop in 1958. Take a look at all the pictures of this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.